Hey guys, hope you are doing well and hopefully you are following all my videos. So if you have been following the videos, you must be familiar of the implementation part of customer controller which we did. What we did was we hard coded the customers and then we populated it onto the views. Okay, let me quickly show you what we did. So this is our customer controller and we had created one like list of customers, and with this list of customers we were throwing this list into the view, and then we were populating the list of customers, and when we used to click on a particular customer we used to get the details of it. Okay, let me quickly show you what I am talking about. So we need to navigate to customer controller and then the get customer method, action method. Okay, so let me type in customer slash get customer. Is this the perfect URL? Yes, customers. See, we used to have this Sam, Bob, and Ashish, and whenever we used to click on a particular customer, the details page showed up, and that details page is the navigation of that detail page is in customer controller and detail action method. All right, let us compare this. Okay, now these customers we are getting from this list of customers. Here we are hard coding it. And when I was doing this session, I told that after few videos we'll be, you know, directly taking the values from the database. Okay, so we'll be doing the same today. So as of now, what I'll do is I'll comment out this section because we don't want to hard code it, and we want to take all the details from the database. Okay, so let's follow the step what I'm doing right now in order to achieve our goals. Okay, so in order to connect to the database, what we need to do is we need to create an object of application data context. Now application data context is a gateway to our database. Okay, so let me quickly do that. Application db context. Okay, and in the constructor of this controller we would be creating the object. Okay, set or context equal to new context, application context. Okay, and this application context is a disposable object. So let us write the code for that also. Override dispose. Okay, and then we will be disposing this context dot dispose. Okay, now if you remember when we were migrating, then what we did was we added a db set of customers into our this models. See, in models we have membership identity models. In identity models we had this application db context. Now this application db context is the gateway to the database. So here we added our customer, then electrical appliance and other rentals. Okay, so when we this has both get as well as set method. So whenever we have some values into our database, we can directly call this property and we can use the list of customers into our controller. All right, so what we will be doing here is that we'll be only replacing this list of customer which was earlier there, the hard-coded part, and we'll be replacing this with the customers which we'll be getting from the database. So context dot customers. All right, here again this is the details method. So in details also we have to write context. Again, if you are not familiar with what I am doing right now, please watch the earlier uploaded videos in which I have explained what is like happening here. Okay, So right now in our database we don't have any customers, so let's go quickly and add the customers here. Now here we don't need to go for migrations, correct? Like we don't need to seed the database so that the entire values are there for all the environments. Okay, so let me add some names. Let me add my name Ashish, and Ashish at the rate amazing.com. Let membership type be 1. Then let's add Bob at the rate amazing.com. 2. Let's add one more, let's say Mike. Okay, Mike at the rate amazing.com. 3. Alright, now we should get all the values in the front end also, but the value should come from the database. Okay, this I have commented, or let me remove it completely. Okay, let me build it once again. Okay, build got successful. Now what I'll do is I'll just go back and refresh this. Okay, see, the customers got refreshed. Now we gave Ashish, Bob and Mike in our database and we are getting it. Let me select on Ashish. Now we got the details of Ashish, name as well as the email ID. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.